Hi and welcome back to LDF Designs. What do you do when you live in the area where the temperatures are negative and the highs for this last week or so have been extremely cold and I need to open up windows in my studio in order to practice my encaustic? Well, I pulled out my acrylic paints. So in today's video, I'm going to have you just follow along as I paint with my acrylics, do a little bit of collage work here and using a little bit of ink and pulling this piece together. I won't have a whole lot to comment on, so I did speed this up drastically, but basically just taking this painting from zero to finish and using my collage materials, my acrylic paints. I have some acrylic medium and also a little bit of texture paint. So those are the things that I'm going to be using as I put this together. And then when I got done, I shut the camera off and then I went back and used some stencils off camera and added some stenciling work to the piece, which you can see over on my Instagram page. I'll have pictures posted there. So with that, I'm not going to comment a whole lot on what I'm doing today, basically just kind of playing around with the acrylic paint and putting this piece together. I really love to try to create new colors. So mostly I pulled out several colors and just started trying to create some neutrals and that kind of thing and paint it away. So I hope you will enjoy this spring to summer sounding track as I paint. So in just a moment I shut the camera off and show you the finished piece here. And then after I did this, I did go ahead and pull out some stencils. So as I said, you can see those finished photos over on my Instagram page. Thank you if you made it to the end today. Give me a like and a subscribe.